Before an important day, before the decisions, the conversations, the expectations, take a moment to raise your frequency, calm your nervous system, and align your energy with confidence, clarity, and ease. This meditation is designed to help you feel grounded, supported, and energetically prepared, so you walk into your day centered, clear, and vibrating at your highest level. Find a comfortable position, seated, lying down, or wherever your body feels safe to soften. Gently close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose. Hold for just a moment. And release through the mouth with a soft sigh. Again, inhale calm. Exhale tension. Let your shoulders drop. Unclench your jaw. Allow the day ahead to pause, just for now. Imagine your body surrounded by a soft, luminous field of light. This light hums gently, like a quiet cosmic melody, steady, supportive, calm. With each breath, the light grows brighter, smoother, more expansive. If there's nervousness about what's coming, acknowledge it with compassion. You don't need to push it away. Just let it float, like a cloud passing through an open sky. Now visualize your feet connected to the earth below you. Roots extending deep into the ground, anchoring you in stability, safety, and trust. Above you, imagine a radiant stream of energy flowing down from the universe, clear, intelligent, loving. It enters through the crown of your head and gently fills your body from top to bottom. every cell begins to glow. Your heartbeat slows into a rhythm of confidence. Your breath becomes effortless. You are not forcing alignment, you are remembering it. See yourself moving through your important day. Notice how calm you feel, how present, how capable. Your words land with clarity. Your energy speaks before you do. Opportunities recognize you instantly. You are supported. You are prepared. You are exactly where you need to be. Silently repeat after me, or let the words wash over you. I am energetically aligned with my highest outcome. I trust myself and the timing of my life. I walk into this day calm, clear, and confident. With each breath, your frequency rises, not frantic, not forced, but steady, grounded, and powerful. Take one final deep breath in. And as you exhale, gently seal this energy around you like a protective glow. When you're ready, slowly bring your awareness back to your body. Wiggle your fingers and toes. And when your eyes open, carry this elevated frequency with you into your day.